Are you looking for the best beginner cinema camera? Look no further. This video will show you the top 5 best beginner cinema cameras that will take your filmmaking to the next level. We'll look at features, specs, and price points to find the best option for your budget and needs. Don't miss out on this chance to upgrade your film quality. Watch now to get all the information you need. Our first choice is the Fujifilm X T4 is a mirrorless camera that offers advanced features and performance in a compact and lightweight body. This camera features a 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and an X processor 4 image processor, which work together to produce high-quality images with excellent detail, color accuracy, and low noise levels. The X T4 also has an in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system, which helps to reduce camera shake and produce sharp images, even when shooting in low light. In addition, this camera can shoot video in 4K at 60 frames per second, allowing you to capture high-quality, smooth, and professional-looking video footage. The X T4 also has a large, 3-inch touch-sensitive LCD screen that flips out and rotates, making it easy to see yourself and frame your shots while filming. This camera also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to transfer images and videos to your phone or other devices, and share them with your followers. Furthermore, the X T4 has a range of shooting modes and settings, including advanced manual controls, to help you get the perfect shot, whether you're a professional or an amateur photographer. Our second choice is the Nikon Z50 is a mirrorless camera that is part of Nikon's Z series of cameras. This camera features a 20.9 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and an X6 image processor, which deliver excellent image quality and fast performance. The Z50 is designed with a compact and lightweight body, making it an ideal camera for travel, street photography, and everyday use. The camera also has an in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system, which helps reduce camera shake and produce sharp images, even in low light conditions. The Z50 can shoot 4K UHD video at up to 30 frames per second, giving you the ability to capture high-quality video footage. The camera also has a range of advanced shooting features, including a wide selection of creative modes and manual controls, making it suitable for both amateur and professional photographers. Additionally, the Z50 has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to transfer images and videos to your phone or tablet and share them with your followers. The Z50 also has a tiltable touchscreen LCD, making it easy to view and frame your shots from various angles. Our third choice is the Canon EOS R7 is a high-end mirrorless camera that is part of Canon's EOS R system. This camera features a full-frame image sensor and Canon's advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF system, delivering high-quality images and fast and accurate autofocus. The EOS R7 is designed with a compact and lightweight body, making it an ideal camera for travel, street photography, and everyday use. The camera also has built-in image stabilization (IS), which helps reduce camera shake and produce sharp images, even in low-light conditions. The EOS R7 can shoot 4K UHD video at up to 60 frames per second, giving you the ability to capture high-quality video footage. The camera also has a range of advanced shooting features, including a wide selection of creative modes and manual controls, making it suitable for both amateur and professional photographers. Additionally, the EOS R7 has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to transfer images and videos to your phone or tablet and share them with your followers. The EOS R7 also has a high-resolution electronic viewfinder (EVF) and a tiltable touchscreen LCD, making it easy to view and frame your shots from various angles. Our fourth choice is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, also known as the Canon EOS 250D, is a compact and lightweight digital SLR camera designed for entry-level photographers. It features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which provides excellent image quality and low-light performance. The camera also has a fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF system, which provides quick and precise autofocus for capturing still images and videos. The EOS Rebel SL3 has a vari-angle touchscreen LCD display, which allows you to easily navigate the camera's menu and adjust settings. It is also compatible with Canon's wide range of EF/EFS lenses, providing a vast array of creative possibilities. Additionally, the camera has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, which allows for easy image sharing and remote control using a smartphone. Our last choice is the Panasonic Lumix GH5. II is a professional-level mirrorless camera designed for photographers and videographers who demand high performance and versatility. It features a 20.3-megapixel 4/3 sensor, which provides excellent image quality and low-light performance. The GH5. II has a fast and accurate autofocus system, which uses deep learning technology to accurately track and focus on subjects. The camera also has 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which helps to minimize camera shake and blur in images and videos. The GH5. II has a high-resolution OLED viewfinder, which provides a clear and detailed view of the scene. It is also capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second, making it ideal for videographers. The camera also has a durable and weather-sealed body, which allows for shooting in challenging conditions. Additionally, the GH5. II has dual SD card slots, which provides a convenient backup solution for recording images and videos. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix GH5. II is a powerful and versatile camera that provides exceptional performance for both still photography and video production. If you want to buy the product, you can click the link of this product in our video description. If you are enjoying our video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up if you have any questions. That is know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.